Understanding the phrase, set a trap. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases, and our guest is the phrase, set a trap. Let's unravel its meaning and use it correctly in our conversations. When we think of a trap, it often brings to mind a physical device that's used to catch animals or sometimes in playful scenarios, humans. To set a trap means to prepare that device so it's ready to catch something. It involves careful placement and setup. Think of a spider weaving its web. That's setting a trap, too. Beyond the literal, set a trap can take on a more figurative meaning. In conversation, it implies creating a situation where someone is lured into making a mistake or getting into trouble, often without them realizing it until it's too late. It's a strategy used in chess, politics, and even in everyday arguments. Let's look at some examples to see how it's used in both senses. Literal, the farmer set a trap to catch the foxes stealing chickens. Figurative, the interviewer set a trap with a tricky question, but the candidate avoided it skillfully. Beware of confusing set a trap with trap set. The former is the action of preparing the trap, while the latter indicates the trap is already in place. Also, don't use it in a positive context, as it's generally associated with deception or harm. That's all on set a trap. We hope this video helps you navigate the English language with greater confidence. Happy learning, and see you next time for more English explorations.